Welcome back, little monkey fans!
Today my little monkey and I are going way up to the Treetop Toy Box for a Lego day. We have the Lego Disney Princess Jasmine's Exotic Palace, and it looks like it has some fantastic accessories. Aw, look at her and Rajah on the magic carpet. And there's a little snake coming up out of here. Super cool. Jasmine's Exotic Palace has 143 pieces. That's a lot of building. I think we might need a little bit of help today.
Help? Did somebody say they needed help?
Merlin, we would love your help.
Well, stand back and check this out. Alakazam! Whoops, wrong spell. There it is, that's the one. Ah! I love the hop. Ho ho ho, ho 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 ho. Fit for a princess.
Eee, so much fun.
And there is Jasmine's Exotic Palace. Look at all the super cool things.
It's really cool.
It is. And who do we have up here?
Rajah, and it looks like Jasmine.
And Jasmine, yeah.
That looks like maybe a balcony.
It does. And it has some
Fire,
kind of like outdoor lanterns and some flowers and some detail on the windows. And here's the magic carpet that can fly up to get them.
There's a little fountain and a little bear that has a snake in it. And there's another little snake.
There is. And this looks like maybe a merchant's shop here. And then it looks like there's some food down there for Rajah.
Maybe that's where Rajah sleeps.
Maybe. Well, let's turn this around.
So we can get a better look in the inside.
At the inside. So there's this, and that looks like it has a little genie lamp on there.
Yeah, that must be where the genie comes from in the movie Aladdin.
I bet it is. And it looks like a super cool place to sit here.
Yeah, maybe another potion, like a crystal potion.
It is, yeah.
Thanks for watching.
To join all the fun up in our treetop, please subscribe to Little Monkey Media's channel.
Don't forget, if you like our video, please share it and click like. We go bananas for toys!